Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question for juniors. If you are in grade 5 or grade 6, you can easily solve this question. Yes? So let's try this question. In this question, we are given a figure which is made up of an equilateral triangle, a rectangle and a square. Yes? And it is given that perimeter of equilateral triangle is equals to perimeter of rectangle, which is equals to perimeter of square. So the perimeter of these three figures are equal to each other. And what do we need to find out? We need to find this question mark. That means this height of rectangle we need to find out. What is the height of rectangle? Okay. So let's start with this square. What is perimeter of square? Perimeter of any square is 4 times its side. Yes. So that means the perimeter in this case will be 4 times 9 centimeters, which is equals to 36 centimeter. Correct. So the perimeter for square is 36 centimeter. That means the perimeter for equilateral triangle will also be 36 centimeter. Perimeter for this rectangle also will be 36 centimeter because it is given in the question. The perimeter of these three figures are equal to each other. Yes. After this, we will jump to equilateral triangle. What is perimeter of any equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle. This is 3 times the side of the triangle. Yes. So in this case, the perimeter that is given to us or that we have found out is 36 centimeter. Correct. If I go by this, the side will turn out to be 12 centimeters. Side will turn out to be 12 centimeter. Yes. That means the side, each side of this equilateral triangle given to us is 12 centimeter. 12. Let me write 12 here as well. One second. So this is 12 centimeter and this is also 12 centimeter. Correct. Okay. That means we have easily found out the length of this rectangle. The length of this rectangle turns out to be 12 centimeter. Yes. So let's write this down. The length of rectangle here turns out to be 12 centimeter. Why? Because see, if you see the base of equilateral triangle, if you see the base of equilateral triangle and the length of the equilateral triangle is same. Correct? That is why the length of rectangle is 12 centimeter. Now let's jump to perimeter of rectangle. What is perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is twice the sum of length plus height or width that is given to us. Length plus width. In this case, I am taking it as height. Okay. So I am assuming this width as height here. Okay. So let's use this thing. What is perimeter of rectangle that we have found out? Perimeter of rectangle, as I mentioned earlier, is 36 centimeter because perimeter of each figure is same. So perimeter here is 36 centimeter, which is equals to twice of length. What is the length of a rectangle? 12. And here, let this be question mark that we need to find out. This W, width or height that we need to find out is this question mark. Is this question mark? Yes, this question mark is the length or width. Oh, sorry, height or width of the rectangle. So in this case, let me write it as question mark itself. Now, if we simplify this, we will get 18 over here. Twice of 18 gives us 36. Yes, which is equals to 12 plus question mark. Twice into 18 gives us 36. That's why I'm writing 12 plus question mark as 18. Now, please tell me what should be added to 12 to get 18. Yes, this question mark will be 6. 6 should be added to 12 to get 18. So this question mark turns out to be 6 centimeter. Yes. So the height or the width of this rectangle, this question mark is 6 centimeter. Yes. So I hope you have understood the solution well. If yes, please like the video. Do not forget to share it with your friends and do subscribe the channel.